Oh, wow, that's a good question. I mean, I certainly recognize the women leaders of today, but from the beginning, I had wonderful managers that were women.
Great.
That are not well known, that are not part of the testing circuit now, but I paid attention to how they behaved in the testing community that we were working in, and I paid attention to how they talked to others, how they trained others, and I also had some not so wonderful women testing managers, and they lacked experience on how to manage.
Yeah.
So it's by paying attention to all these people, I learned what to do and what not to do.
Nice.
And one of the things was, the key thing for me is to listen to all testers.
Okay.
And not only testers, but listen to developers. Well, I'm certainly inspired by Dawn Haynes.
Yeah.
She has been a fabulous sounding board. The two of us, we've spent a lot of road trips where we're talking about different types of things, especially testing. And because she trains testers, and I actually did the testing, and the two of us have bounced ideas off of one another.
Yeah.
And basically anything she says, I pay attention to.
Great.
But then I also listen to Lisa Crispin and Janet Gregory, because they come from the Agile world and more focus on Agile testing and Agile environments. And I've learned a lot from them in terms of how to think about Agile environments and incorporating testing into the entire project. And that has helped me to incorporate Agile practices in my projects.
Yeah.
And I'm actually now training my development teams, trying to, helping them to understand what user stories are and acceptance criteria. And they're starting to pay attention, which is really good. And I think the other person, and I'm sure I'm missing many, many women, I will say Maret, I can't say her last name.
Yeah.
Parawi, okay. Paraji, because I think it's, and I have learned a lot from her because, well, I've always done exploratory testing. That's not a problem for me. But what I learned from her specifically is about mob testing, mob programming.
Yeah.
And the idea of building quality into a product while it's being developed, and testers being involved in the mob programming concept, I think that is amazing, because you get to do immediate feedback and you do it as a group and you respect one another. And I think that is really important across the board.
Right.
And I think that's really important for testers to be a part of the community, and then it's an easier communication between testers and developers.